Is your CCTV app lagging or live view not loading? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the real fix in just 90 seconds. First, check your internet speed. You need at least 2 to 5 Mbps upload speed for smooth live view. Next, clear your app cache from mobile settings. Corrupted cache often causes lag and loading issues. Make sure your CCTV app is updated. If still not working, uninstall and reinstall the app. Now, connect your DVR or NVR directly to the router using a LAN cable for stable performance. Enable Substream in your DVR settings. This reduces load and improves mobile live view performance.
To avoid random camera disconnections, use reliable and tested equipment. To buy these, use links from description.
Also, test both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Most issues come from slow internet, app cache, or high-resolution overload. If your CCTV app is working smoothly now, hit the like button and subscribe for more real CCTV fixes that actually solve problems.